So this building here is 360,000 square feet. We've got hundreds and hundreds of these products, so we've always got things in stock for our customers. My name is Josh, and I'm Missouri's freight warehouse manager. And so I manage the freight warehouse along with our QC and service department and our maintenance department. In the freight warehouse, we've got approximately 10 employees currently, and those employees are on forklifts nearly most of their day. And so that's 10 or more forklifts back and forth all day long. And we have an actual packaging team that works very hard to ensure that our products are packaged well enough to withstand the transportation all across the country. Once an order is submitted to our contact center and it's released to the warehouse, a pick ticket is generated and also a pick sheet. So on that pick sheet is a list of items and the specific location in the warehouse that the employee will have to go to pick that item. Bring it up to our shipping dock where it's then inspected for quality, packed and processed through our shipping system, and then loaded on our carriers for shipping.
QC is kind of like the unsung heroes of the warehouse, I think, because they're not really out here loading customers and unloading stuff, but anything goes wrong, anything's not perfect or how it needs to be, those guys jump on it super quick. They communicate with us really well, and they're fast and they're good at what they do, so they play a huge part in what goes on here. Super nice to have those guys around here every day to where we can ask questions, they can get us good answers for the customers, and the customers leave happy. We have a ton of parts here. We get parts in on a lot of our containers that come in. So if a customer does bring in a repair or something like that, we can quickly get that into service or QC. They can grab the parts, turn it back around, get it back to the customer so they can keep on working, do whatever they're needing to do. So we're just able to turn machines back around if they do need work to the customers super efficiently. When you buy a machine, you're getting a top of the line machine from us. If something does happen, we're gonna get it fixed, get it right back to you, or walk you through how to fix it. So you're buying a good product and you can count on it, it's gonna be reliable for you.
Our products come straight from the manufacturer to us. So the only thing between the customer and their products is our warehouse here. I mean, we have an unwavering dedication to our customer service to get freight and machines to their door as safely and easy as we can. If you've read the history of Grizzly and where it's come from, 40 years in the industry is huge. And I think that's a really cool thing to be a part of.